How to start a t-shirt design business online. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can start your own t-shirt design business online. So let's get started. Now, in order to create your business online, to run your store and to do print on demand, you will require a platform in order to sell your products, to create and design your products. Now, there are many things that are involved in a t-shirt business. For example, the first step is going to be designing your t-shirts, finding the right design or creating the right design. Then you go to any platform and you put up your designs for sale. However that platform works, I will be using teespring.com because teespring.com is an amazing platform which allows you to design your own products and then you don't have to do anything. In the business, there are many things, for example, shipping and the product quality and everything, the manufacture of the product. But on Teespring, what happens is you just put up your design for sale and you don't have to do anything, and you can create your designs for free and then you put up your t-shirt or your hoodie for sale. For example, I designed a t-shirt and I designed it for free from Canva, which we will do in a minute, and it literally takes like 5 minutes to create your own design and the investment is zero. And I came to Teespring then and I designed my product here. I created my listing on Teespring and I am selling a t-shirt for maybe $50, right? So I will earn maybe around about $20 from that t-shirt with zero investment. That's why I am using teespring.com and I don't have to take care of shipment or manufacture or anything else. So you can use teespring.com as a beginner and that will be really easy for you without any worry of shipment and other things. So let's start the process. First thing is we have to design a t-shirt. Now, to design a t-shirt, you can go to any platform. I am going to be using canva.com. Canva is an amazing platform. I will be using the free version of Canva to create a very cool design. So Canva has a t-shirt design layout as well. But I suggest you go with custom size and go for the biggest design they have, like the biggest quality they provide, and that is 5,000 by 5,000. Why I am doing this? Because when we print our design on a t-shirt, it gets blurred, and Teespring actually suggests that you should have a good quality image. So that is why I am going with the highest quality that Canva allows to create with the highest pixel. Create new design. When I do that, Canva will open up its canvas for me to work on it. So you can see right here that this is the canvas that I am going to be creating my design on. You can see it is pretty big canvas. So let's get started. Now, in order to go for any print, I will be creating white t-shirts, right? So I am going with the white background, but you can actually go with a transparent background and that will actually be ideal if you go with a transparent background. And how you can do that? When we download an image, once my design will be created, all you have to do is go to download and you will actually see the option of transparent background, but that is for the pro version. So if you have the pro version, then it's perfect, but if you do not have the pro version, it's okay. You can create an image and then put it up on any of the t-shirts. So let's get started. The background will be white. Let's add some element and text to our t-shirt. And what is going to happen is I will actually create something. Let's add the text first. I can actually go for any text that I want to from here, or I can just scroll down and I will actually see all of these cool text right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually select from here because these actually look pretty cool. Okay, let's go with this one. Merry Christmas. Okay, it looks pretty cool. So what I can do is I will simply click on that and it will show on the canvas. So you can see right here the text has come to my canvas. So we need to do some changes with it. The first thing I am going to do is I will actually ungroup this. So what I can do is I can right click and ungroup. So when I do that, this text will ungroup with this one and I will delete the last one. Okay, and I will delete it. Okay, now it's just Merry Christmas. Then again, the spacing is a bit too much, so I will decrease the spacing. There you go. After that, I will actually make it a bit larger and in here. Once it's done, let's just put it in the middle, and then I will actually change the font for this one. This font looks pretty, formal, so I'm gonna go with something bold. Let's change the color for this. I am going with red. Okay, this looks pretty good. So now we have this space left, and I will actually add a Christmas tree right here, so it will look pretty cool. So I will simply go to elements and I will search for Christmas tree. There you go, and I will get all of these different elements to choose from. So you can see right here that this is what it looks like. Okay, can we just go ahead and change the color for this one? I can actually change the color for the tree, and I am not liking the brown they have, so I'm gonna change the color from here, and I will actually choose a brown color for this one. There you go. And for the green, I'm also going to be changing the green, and the green will be, so I am going with this green right here. Now it looks pretty good. So this is what the print is going to be. Super simple and super, fun. If I want to add some more elements, I can actually do that as well. So let's go with something. Okay, this looks pretty good. Let's go with a simple design. So once you have created your design, all you have to do is just click on download and download this in PNG, because it is the high quality image that we get on Canva. So you can simply download this image from here. Again, if you have the Pro Canva, then you can go with this transparent background, and that will be ideal. So for now, I am going with this one and download. So our image will be downloaded. Now we can go to our Teespring, and on Teespring, all you have to do is just, sign up for your Teespring, and it is also completely free. So I will simply go to design right here, and when we go to design or create, Teespring actually takes us to our workspace where we can actually create our own product. So once you click on create, you will get the option of to choose a blank t-shirt or what t-shirt type you want to choose. So you get a lot of cool options. For example, if you are going with a premium tee, if you want long sleeves, if you want a hoodie, if you want you can actually create your other product as well. For example, socks and bag and mugs as well. So we are going with a t-shirt, so let's go with a premium tee, and you simply click on that and Teespring opens it up for you. You can actually see the information right here that the quality of the product, the material that is used, it is a slim fit 100% cotton, and you will actually see the base cost, which was $16. Teespring will take $16. So now I can actually put any price for this t-shirt that I will create. Maybe I can go for $25 or $30, and Teespring will take $16 from it, and I will earn the profit. So what you can do is, you can see my t-shirt is right here, and now I can add the text and image if I want to. So you can actually add text from here from Teespring, or you can get your image that you just created on Canva. So simply go to add image, and we will add our image that we downloaded from Canva. So you can see right here that this is the image that I created, right? And now it is on my t-shirt. The background is white, so it is blending in with the background. So you can see I can actually put it anywhere. They're suggesting me to put it right here, this area, so I will just keep it right there. So you can see, as my image was 5,000 by 5,000, so it looks pretty good on the t-shirt. That is why I went with the highest quality, and make sure you also do that. So this is the white t-shirt, and this is the front. If I want to go on the back and do anything on the back, if I want any design, or if I want any text on the back, I can do that as well, and it will be shown right here. But for the back, I am going simple. I do not want anything on the back, so I am just going with the front. It is a super simple t-shirt. So once I have added my image, I can actually go ahead and add text as well. If you want to, you can do that. Product color, now I can choose as many colors as I want to. So this one is white, right? And if I go with red, this is what it will look like. Okay, for red, I don't think red looks good. So you can go with any color. You can see right here the colors I am choosing. You can actually have them right here, and the buyer will have all of these different options. So when you click on a color, it checks. If you click again, it unchecks itself. So for now, I am just going with a white one and maybe a red one. Let's go with this one. Okay, this looks pretty good. And then we can go with the simple grayish one. Yeah, let's go with this gray. So I have selected these colors for my t-shirt, and this is what it will look like. Now, my t-shirt might not look that good, but of course, when you will create your own design and you will select these amazing colors, then it will look pretty good. So once you have selected the color, simply done. After that, the first image a buyer sees. So you can actually select a thumbnail for your product, the product that buyer will actually see, the color of product, right? So I am going with white one right now. This one was selected, but I want the buyer to see the white one first. So I have selected that, and I will simply click on done. Now it's time for our price. So they're asking me to set the price for 25 to 26 to 27, right? And they're saying that the profit is going to be $10 if I go for 26. So I am going to go for $30 for my t-shirt. Okay, 30 might be too much, so let's go with 28. So I am going with $28, and I will earn $12 as a profit from this t-shirt, from a t-shirt that I created just under 10 minutes, and now I am I'm going to earn $12 from it. I did nothing. All I did was just design it from Canva. So once you have it, you can actually select euro as well. In euro, it will be 30 euros and I will earn 11 euros. So that is pretty good. So once you have done all of the information you have added, then all you have to do is just click on continue. And once you click on continue, your t-shirt will be added as a listing to your Teespring. And that is how you can actually, create as many t-shirts as you want to. So they give you a preview of how your design will look on all of these t-shirts. For example, if you want to add more products to your apparel, for example, men's t-shirt, women, and different bags and leggings, so they will actually show you a preview of your design on everything. So if you want to go ahead and create another product from here, you can do that as well. But we just went with a t-shirt, and we created our t-shirt on Teespring, and we created our design on canva.com. So this is how basically you get started with your t-shirt business. Very simple, for free, with zero investment, and then you can actually create your amazing products and amazing t-shirts to sell and earn your profit. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to create your amazing t-shirts on Teespring with Canva. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.